name is Espinoza. I am currently studying for an associate's in early childhood education here at UNM Taos. Here at UNM Kids Campus, I get to know the kids' schedules. I do activities with them. My favorite part about working here is getting to go on walks with the kids as well as outside playtime. It really helps me see how their curiosity comes into play. What brings me joy is being able to see through my own eyes the difference I make in each kid. If there's something I teach them in the next 5 minutes, they will pick up on it and they will show it back to me, and that is my joy. I was like around the age of 17 years old, and I really didn't know what I wanted to do with my life. I took electives in medical training and CPR training and such. And then I got into the elective of early childhood development. And so I took development classes and I started getting a liking for it. So when I got to that elective, early childhood development, I would spend anywhere from 45 to 90 minutes 2 times per week in the GRADS program. It is a daycare program for the students at the Taos High School. And I would just do activities with the kids. Once I started doing that, I liked it. And then I would use my free periods to go into the daycare. I really enjoyed it and I loved being there. So my advice would definitely be getting out there. And I know for some of us who are shy, it's hard, but it really does make a difference in your everyday life. Being a UNM Taos student and working at UNM Kids Campus means that my work in my classes correlates to the work that I do here daily. I have to do my residency hours. So for every ECED class that I have to take, I have to do 2 hours per class. This gives me the opportunity to make sure that the stuff that I'm learning in my class is also applied to the stuff that I'm doing at work. I also have the opportunity not only to do my residency hours, but to do a work study, which helps me get paid for these residency hours that I do. Being an employee here at Kids Campus makes me really happy that I have a community who is guiding me. I have some amazing coworkers and a super amazing boss, and are really comforting and just really know how to explain the work. Going into this job field is not just about wanting to take care of babies, wanting to be around babies. It's about wanting to make the change in their lives and wanting to make that impact on their future, because you are the person that is helping them develop their mind socially and emotionally.